everyone, welcome to Zhejiang Ounuo Machinery. I'm Susan Zheng. Today I'm going to introduce you our patch bag making machine. First of all, we can see that the host parts and the feeding parts of this machine are the same as our SOS bag machine. So, how to make patch handle? Let me show you the mechanical parts design of patch handle. Let's see, this is our gluing structure. And we are going to glue on paper for patch handle, and here we are using water glue. After gluing, our patch structure will cut the patch paper or film of a fixed size and then stick to the glued paper. After the paper bag is formed, the machine doing the patch handle die cutting. So our patch handle is done. Look, this is a finished patch bag. If you have any more machine requirements, please feel free to consult.